I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play I Just Wanna Dance on piano full guide. Start by learning the main chord progression C minor, a flat major, E flat major, B flat major, and practice each hand separately for slow accuracy. Next, map the vocal melody to the right hand using scale fragments and small leaps. Finally, combine hands slowly at 60 to 80 BPM and gradually increase tempo while keeping steady rhythm and light dynamics. In this video, I will explain how to play I Just Wanna Dance on piano full guide. Focus the right hand on the vocal melody, singing and tracing intervals before committing to keys. Work phrase by phrase, looping 2 to 4 bar segments, and select fingerings that reduce large jumps. Aim for legato where appropriate and small accents on lyric peaks. Gradually connect phrases until the melody feels natural and reliably under your fingers. In this video, I will explain how to play I Just Wanna Dance on piano full guide. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, ideal for keeping floors tidy between practice sessions and reducing distraction. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play I Just Wanna Dance on piano full guide. Start the left hand with solid root and fifth patterns to create a dependable groove that supports the melody. Once steady, introduce rhythmic variations and syncopation to match the song's dance feel, keeping dynamics light and consistent. Practice with a metronome and slowly introduce groove changes, ensuring the left hand never overpowers the vocal line or right hand melody during transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.